Extreme Trailers of Dover, Ohio has earned a reputation for designing and manufacturing the lightest and strongest trailers in the industry. They've also created a work environment where the employees work together as a faithful family.
So here at Extreme Trailer, we understand how that works. So we work very hard here to make sure that we have a family atmosphere, family environment.
You can tell he's a family man. You can tell he cares about how you want things. He wants to make everybody happy. He wants to please everybody and make sure it's done right.
Long-haul trucker driver Shannon LeQuy and his family traveled to Dover, Ohio to pick up his brand new Extreme Trailer.
It's got all the lights back here, and then there'll be a panel made here.
But Shannon's wife and 16-year-old son Logan are also facing some serious life challenges. You see, their son Logan, a high school junior, is battling cancer.
So I think just hearing that, we think your child has cancer is probably the biggest blow as a parent you can ever take.
I've already gone through 6 rounds of chemo, and in about 3 weeks I'll be going in for a bone marrow transplant.
But Extreme Trailers owner Les Smith, along with his family of workers, have a wonderful surprise waiting.
And with the help of our vendors, we were able to raise some funds for you. So we'd like to present to you today a check for Team Logan for $20,000.
Extreme Trailers and their vendors took up a collection to get the trailer built as a way to take some of the financial burden off Shannon.
Our hearts go out to those in need, and this is certainly one of those instances where your heart just melts for them.
I think it's important for every business to get behind their customers, and this is an opportunity for us to get behind one of Les's customers.
We feel strongly that we're committed to helping Les and Extreme partner up to make this a very special day for Logan.
No matter how hard it is, just push through. Distractions help. Trying to do as much as possible and knowing that you'll get through it.
Extreme Trailers, the strongest and lightest in the industry. And now, they have more claim to fame. They also have the biggest heart.